It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 168A Chinese shopping app. If you have been importing products or source product from China using 168A Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to 168A Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and pay proper attention to important information I have for every importers that are source ship products from China using 168A Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to the video. Like I said earlier in the beginning of this video, if you are an importer and you are using 168A Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and learn from this particular sad experience with a supplier on 168A Chinese shopping app and see how best you can protect yourself when you are dealing with supplier on 168A Chinese shopping app. Like I always come with every scenario of whatever happened on 168A between the buyer and the seller on the particular platform. I'm going to put the screen record of the video right here so everyone can see, and I pay proper attention to where I narrate on every step you need to take to solve this type of problem if eventually you come across a type of supplier like this. Let me show you. Welcome back to the video. This particular video here is a very sad one because it's a case study between a buyer and a supplier on 168A, and eventually this particular person here got fully scammed on 168A Chinese shopping app, and I decided to make a video about it so everyone that source and ship product from China using 168A Chinese shopping app can eventually learn one or two things from this particular scenario and play safe when you are trying to dealing with any supplier on 168A Chinese shopping app. Like you always know me, I will put the screen record of that particular scenario between the seller and the buyer that got scammed on 168A. I'm going to put the video on the screen right here and I'm going to narrate everything. Then while you pay proper attention to a possible solution, if you come across this type of supplier, and make sure you learn from this particular person that got scammed on 1688 right here in this video. Like I said, I'm going to put the video right here. Now, this person contacts me right here. Hello, good evening. I came across your YouTube. I was sent bad goods. Is it possible to get a refund? This is a message from the person that actually contacted me from my channel. And here I respond, good morning. Where did you buy the goods? Good morning. And I bought the goods on 1688, just like what you see right here. Okay, now this is where the case began. How long have you placed the order? Do you have picture of what you received from the said supplier? Can you please share the store link? These are my questions. So if anybody comes for a particular case study on 1688, I have some way and manner I do ask questions so that I will know how to tackle that particular issue. Now, this is the response right here. This is what this particular, I'm going to play this video right here. Now,
she brought me about 50 pieces of this. I don't know what to do with it. Look at it. It's just, look at it. Like, this is supposed to be a bag.
Now, this is what the person got from the said supplier on 1688. Now, let me quickly show you what the supplier showed them in China before they eventually place the order on 1688. So, this is what the supplier showed them in China before they place the order. Take a look at the quality of the product picture in the video right here. There are a lot of suppliers that engage in this kind of practice. What you need to do in this situation, if you come across a supplier like this, you need to play very much extra careful. So this is the video of what the supplier sent to them. They sent them about 2 live video of the particular product. I think this is another video right here. So this is the supplier stuff video right here. And eventually, when they place the order and make payments, and the product was delivered to them in Ghana, this is what they received. So this is what the buyer received. So you can see the carton of the product. Right? This is a very sad experience because this person here invests quite a lot of money in this particular order right here because they purchased a lot, and this is what they also got right here. Now, can you compare the product video that was sent by the supplier with what they got right here?
This is supposed to be a bag.
Now, I want to quickly say one thing about this kind of issue. Now, if you are trying to deal with the supplier and you are not 100% sure of how you can identify real and genuine supplier, your shipping company needs to play a serious role in this section. What do I mean by this? Now, this is the video that was sent. This video here was sent by the supplier and before they placed order. So in this regard, what you need to do if you fall in this category is that make sure you engage your shipping company in quality inspection. That is, when you place the order from this type of supplier, by the time the order gets to your shipping warehouse address in China, make sure you engage your shipping company in quality and order inspection. Some shipping company charge for this, while some shipping company does not do that. So if you are dealing with a supplier and you are not an expert on how you can identify fake and real supplier, it is always advisable to get somebody offsite that can confirm the quality inspection for you and confirm the quantity delivered on your behalf. This is what I want to say about this particular scenario right here. Now let's go further. This was sample she showed me was available. This is when she parceled it. I don't know what to do. She immediately stopped responding to messages. Now I can't access it. She did something. Now here, this is another issue here. Can you please share the store link? That is my question. How long did you place the order on 1688? So here I asked a friend to help me because it keeps saying invalid. So this is when they placed the order. April this year. That's about 2 months ago, based on the time I'm making this video right here. Now this year she said yes. I will share the video. I will share a video you need to watch so you can trace the order. Then from there share the order link with me. Now this is the conversation between this buyer and the seller. She stopped responding right here. So this is a screenshot of their conversation right here, as you can see right here. So as you can see here, this is their conversation right here. And some of this type of supplier here, they will tag the product as OSA's stuff. So anytime you see any product link that constitutes this OSA's stuff on 1688, please run for your dear life. Most of this type of supplier here, they can pack like 200 different style of a product. Let's say it's like bag, like as a case study of this one, this is bag. So this type of supplier here, they might have like different types of bags in like 500 pieces of different type of style of bag on the sales page, claiming that you can only order for 300 pieces at a go at all sales price. It is a scam. Because those suppliers, they do not have anything to offer. They just need your money when you place the order. And if you are not smart, they will scam you for good. It's as simple as that. So always be careful of any sales link you see here. This is another thing I want you to pay proper attention into. Then let's proceed. Then here, this is when this particular person here shared the store link. Okay. Now I'm going to click on the store link and then you see what exactly happened after we try to trace the store on 1688. Just like what you see right here, the store has been completely deleted on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Now in this regard, there are two things involved. One of the first thing involved is that the seller might deliberately delete the store link on 1688 because they create the account for a purpose of scamming people and they have a target. Once they are done with their business, shady business or scamming people, they will delete their sales page on 1688. This is the first thing involved. The second thing involved here is that 1688 might delete the sales page on their platform as a result of different reports from different people, from different victims of this particular kind of stuff. Because I want to believe that they have been doing it for a very long time. They are doing it with a lot of people, and 1688 always go after this type of people. But you can imagine, what about people that are not fully knowledgeable of how to use 1688 Chinese shopping app? They will fall victim. Okay, now in this kind of issue, if you fall in this type of category and eventually you are able to trace the stuff, it is now your responsibility to contact 1688 buyer support. By then, you'll be able to get your money back fully refunded back into your Alipay. Only if you make payment on 1688 with your Alipay or your Visa card or your MasterCard, and you are able to report to the 1688 buyer support in time before the store gets deleted on 1688 Chinese shopping app. This is another solution that you need to pay proper attention into. Now let's go back to my WhatsApp where the person contacts me right here. Now this is my response to them. You have to forget about this issue because the store does not exist again in 1688. It is a very saddening case. There is nothing you can do for as long as the store that scammed you, the store link has been completely deleted from 1688 system. Even if you contact the buyer support on 1688, there is still nothing they can do as far as the store has been fully deleted, and they cannot trace them because most of this type of stock, they are not verified. They are not verified. They just create an account just for the purpose of scamming people. So what I will always say in a nutshell, if you are trying to make a purchase on 1688, do proper due diligence before you engage in making a purchase from any store on 1688. Not everyone you see selling on 1688 are actually genuine. So you need to pay proper attention. Do your due diligence before you go ahead and place order. And when you are making payments, always try to make payments with your Alipay. In case of coming across this type of issue, then you'll be able to trash it out if you are an expert of using 1688 Chinese shopping app. And this is what I have for you here as far as this particular case and scenario is concerned. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China or importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Play safe.